Hello students, welcome to the physics class. In this video, we will learn about potential difference. So, let's begin with some examples. What do you observe here? The raisins are dropped into water. Now, what happens when the raisins are dropped into water? Yes, the raisins absorb water. Now, why do the raisins absorb water? Because water has a tendency to go from higher concentration region to lower concentration region. Outside the raisins in the container there is a lot of water, but inside the raisins there is very less concentration of water. So water will go from container to the raisins. So what is the driving factor that is triggering water to go from a container to the raisins? Yes, it is the concentration difference. Water will go from higher concentration region to a lower concentration region. Let's understand another example. So there are two beakers that are connected with a pipe at the bottom. Now what do you think? The water will flow from one beaker to another beaker? No, the water will not flow because both the beakers have same level of water in it. But my question is, if you want to transfer some water from beaker 2 to beaker 1, then how will you do it without adding any quantity of water in any of the beakers? May I repeat the question? If you want to transfer the water from beaker 2 to beaker 1 without changing the level of water in any of the beaker, how will you do it? Well, it's very easy. You just have to change the height of beaker 2. You have to raise the beaker to some height from beaker 1. So the water will easily go from beaker 2 to beaker 1. Now how did the water go from beaker 2 to beaker 1? What was the driving factor? Yes, it is height, the difference in the height. Because of the difference in the height between the two beakers, the water easily go from beaker 2 to beaker 1 because water has a tendency to go from a higher level to a lower level. Similarly, for the flow of electricity, there has to be some factor. So, the factor is potential difference. Potential difference is the factor which is responsible for the flow of current in a conductor. Now, let's understand what is potential difference in a more technical terms. So, in technical terms, it is the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from one point to another point in an electric field. Let's consider 2 points A and B. B has lower potential and A has higher potential. So the charge, when it will be moved from the point B to the point A, the amount of work done is said to be the potential difference between the points A and B. Now we can also give the formula for this. So V will be equals to VA minus VB, where VA is the electric potential of A and VB is the electric potential of B. Now what is V here? V is basically the symbol of potential difference. Now when we are talking about the work done, here potential difference is the work done in bringing a charge from one point to another point. So we can also give the formula of potential difference in terms of work done upon quantity of charge moved. Potential difference is the work done divided by the quantity of charge moved. Now all of you know the SI unit of work is joules and the SI unit of charge is coulombs. So what should be the SI unit of potential difference? Yes, it is joules per coulomb. But in general terms, the SI unit of potential difference is said to be volts. Now this SI unit is given after the Italian physicist named Alessandro Volta. Now the next thing which you need to understand that how will you calculate the potential difference? How will you measure the potential difference in any electric circuit? So the instrument which is used to measure the potential difference is voltmeter. Voltmeter is an instrument which is connected in the electric circuit to measure the potential difference across the 2 points of electric circuit. I hope this topic is clear to all of you. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, thank you and God bless you all.